So you decided that you want to learn how we can actually make money with Samcart and how we can use Samcart. My name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you on how we can easily use Samcart, how we can create a sales page, checkout page, course, how we can configure it really well so we're gonna start selling straight away. I believe that after watching this video, you will be much smarter on how we can use Samcart. Now, before we're gonna jump into the tutorial, you will find an affiliate link down below in the description. And if you're gonna register with my link, you can easily then message me on email and write me an email. Hey Marcus, I created this sales page, I created this checkout page. Can you give me feedback? What do you think about it? And it's a win-win for both. So you're gonna use my affiliate link, and then I'm going to give you feedback on your sales page, checkout page, so we can sell even more. Win-win situation for both. And let's now jump to the tutorial of Samcart. So when you're gonna be in Samcart and you're gonna create your own account and choose a package that you need, that you like the most, you can always upgrade if you're gonna start from the beginning one. You're gonna have the dashboard. In dashboard, you're gonna have the basic, like let's say gross sales, profit, refunds, page views, orders, conversions, all of that you will learn right here. Then you're gonna find the next step is products. In products, we're gonna create our own product together. Then you can have activities in which you would find all the customers, orders, subscription, and charges. So all of that you would find right here. And then on application, you would have affiliate center, subscription saver, cart abandonment, and course app, where we are going to start our own course. If you don't want to use Samcart for a course, but you want to, let's say for ebook, you can skip the part where I'm going to teach on how you can create your own course on Samcart. Now, let's go further. And before we're going to jump, and I'm going to show you and explain to you how we can create your own product in Samcart, let's go to settings, because I want to show you some things. You don't have to click by yourself, just watch this part of this video. So here, I definitely recommend choosing the marketplace address and time zone, currency, figure everything here, the tax settings, web ID if you're from the Europe. So definitely fill everything here. Then you can have the processors. Here you can you can connect with PayPal, Stripe, Braintree, SamPay, all of that. Then you can also enable digital wallets right here. This allows your product to accept Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Microsoft Pay. That's something that I definitely recommend because some people are going to pay with it, and it's a good thing to have. Then you can have the integrations here, where you can easily add a new integration, where you can connect it with, let's say, ConvertKit, Waiver, ActiveCampaign, Digital Access Pass, Drip, Facebook. So I can click here, ConvertKit, next step, and you would have the API secret and name of the integration. Then the email. So here, this is something that I also definitely recommend to have, that you would create an email footer that will be placed at the bottom of every email sent to your customers. So people can actually contact you if they're gonna have any questions. Then you're gonna have the users that you can actually add, and they will manage the Samcart with you. And custom domains. There are plenty of tutorials that how you can actually connect your domain with your Samcart, and you can do it right here. Now, let's jump into the product and let me show you how we can actually add a product. After we're gonna finish the product, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your product with your course. So go to top right and new product. Right here, we're gonna add a product name. This is going to be a name that is going to be shown to people. So this is going to be, let's say I'm going to preparing a YouTube course for beginners. And now I'll add a description. This course is for everyone that wants to make money on internet. Pricing type, if it's a one-time payment, recurring, limited subscription, or pay what you want. So recurring, if it's let's say $15 a month. Limited subscription can be a number of chargers, enter the total number of subscription charges for your product, and recurring period weekly, monthly, and then pay what you want. It's an option for everyone to actually pay whatever they want for your product. Now I'll choose let's say it's going to be one-time payment, and it's going to be 25, and I'm going to click create a product. Now you're gonna have the product name, which is going to be the YouTube course for beginners. I can have the internal product name. This is a name of your product in your internal Samcart that no customers will see. So you can name it differently if you want to. Product SKU, if you have it, and then URL. Now I'm going to also show you how you can easily connect your URL on your product with your domain. So here you can have description. This course is for everyone. That wants to make money on internet, and you can have product image. So image should be smaller than this, and you can easily upload the product image, and then you're gonna have the price here. So I have 25 euro. Order redirect. So you can have, where do you want to actually have it? Order summary or custom URL. So you can completely have it. Now, if I'm going to have a course, I will show you something. When we're gonna connect the course, I will show you one thing. Then you can easily connect it, not here. Here, course, auto enroll. So when we're gonna connect our course with our product in Samcart, we can easily see here that we can register for your course and people can start watching the course. So that's something that I just wanted to show you. Now let's go back to our ebook. And you can easily also go to top right and have it on test mode. That's something really important. Then the order redirect, that's like understandable. And then we have the type here. So you can have it as a digital and service, or you can have it as a physical product. And then you're gonna have the digital file upload or file link. So they can download it from your file that you're gonna have, or they can download it directly from Samcart. So if you have it externally, you can just add a digital file link. If you have it internally, you can upload it to Samcart. That's like up to you. Product expiration means that how many times until the person is going to buy your course, buy or whatever, they have time to actually download the product. And you can have 2 days, whatever. On the bottom, you can have option to actually configure coupons. And here I can add a coupon that I can add coupon code. Let's say this is going to be winter. Coupon duration can be apply once, description, and then we have the percentage of price. So we can have 50% or flat rate 25 euro. So I really like using a percentage for actually getting the price lower, and that's something that I would do. And then you can apply it to all products or just one product. Using coupons is really perfect. Let's say that when you have email list. When I have email list, I send them the course and say to them, hey guys, so I create this course with this coupon. You're gonna use coupon winter and you will get 50% coupon amount and down of the price. And I can create a coupon right here. So that's how we can do it. Now, when we're gonna go further even, we can go to checkout design. And here I'm going to show you how you can easily edit your checkout. What I really like about Samcart, how many templates you're gonna actually find here that you can use. This was like a big surprise to me, that how easy it is to actually build a checkout page, sales page with Samcart. And let me show you how it actually works. Now we're gonna edit a checkout page for our product. So let's say we're gonna sell courses. So I can easily have like 2 columns here, this one, or we can choose like when it's going to be under. So you have always option if it's going to be full width, pop-up template, blocky, accelerator, multi-step. I don't recommend using the multi-step. And then I can also recommend using pre-made templates that you would use and that edit those templates. That's a strategy that I use that is really highly effective. So here, let's say I'm going to choose 2 columns here. And I'm going to click select. You can always preview it. So you can click here, preview, preview, and you can see how it looks like. And then you can edit everything here. That's what is really perfect about it. So now, this is like the one that I used for my course. And I delete this, I change text to this. And my recommendation, there is going to be also a link to WriteSonic, a tool down below in the description that I recommend heavily to use for actually using this. So when you have it And when you would got it on your Samcart, the next thing what you want to do is when you're going to select it, you want to go Save Changes and then click Design. Now to actually design your Samcart, let's say sales page, whatever, I'm going to show you how we can do it. So let's say I'm going to, okay. What sometimes can happen, guys, this is really important. When you're going to choose a package or something, or like a template, what can happen is that it won't load straight away and you need to wait a while. Another thing is that when you would choose it, what can happen that it's not going to load at all, so you have to choose like completely new product. I don't know, I didn't find any turnaround around this, but it was happening when I was trying a lot of templates. It was like bugging out for some reason. So that's just like information for you. Now, when we are here, I'm going to show you how you can actually do it. So we have the coupon code that we already added. And on the right side, you're always going to have the content. So you can have like the headline here, right? And I can have buy my course. Just example. I recommend definitely using the template. This is just a showcase how you can actually build your own Samcart checkout page. Now I will have divider. Okay, and you can always change the time if it's a dashed, color alignment, all of that you can change it. And then we can go further and add a bullet list or button or image or a video. Course for starting your YouTube. And I'm going to change the text size on the right side. Yeah, I'm going to remove my camera so you can see everything now. So here, course for starting your YouTube. And now I can, when I edit the video, I can easily click here and add here URL that I would paste when people would start watching it. Then you can have a video width, video height, and on the settings, you can change the padding and everything. And you can also enable autoplay. So when we have this, what I would add then is, let's say, a bullet list. Bullet list under YouTube video, in which I will be writing about what is it actually about, right? So here you would add a bullet list. And I can add here that I'll get monetized and start earning money. And to edit the text, what you have to do is to actually like mark it like this. And then you will have option to change the colors and everything, right? So that's how you can do it. And also I can come here and go to settings and change the text size, right? You can change the line height. Then I can have the left-right padding, and I can have it more to the middle. And that's all what you can edit here. So you can really play around with. Then when we go further, we can add again, like let's say button. And for the button, you can scroll to checkout, but we don't need the button now because we have the checkout page here. But if I'm going to create a tutorial how you can create amazing sales page, you would add it right here. And here you can again change the colors and everything. So then you can have also options to the icons. And then you can like the widgets here that I really like is that you can add a progress bar, FAQ, that I definitely recommend to have on your sales page or checkout page. Then you can have the tabs, the media grid, the custom HTML, and also the countdown that I can come here and just paste it. Right? And I can choose the settings. And let's say it's going to be type time after customer first visit, and I can have it for 5 minutes. See? Amazing, right? Now, what you can do is, let's say that I would have it like this. And then let's say I want to have also guarantee. So I'll take this and I'll add guarantee. I can change the width to like 75%. And I can add also from this 100% money back guarantee directly here. Now, when you have this and when you create your checkout page, definitely recommend use the templates here like this one. Like this template is really amazing. And also, like even this guitar here is good. And you can easily just take it and edit it as you need. And just change the text, change everything, and you're good to go. So here when we're going to be in Samcart, on the right side, I can go again to collections. And here collections are really great way what you can do on the sales page, where you would choose and add attention grabbing headline goes here. So these are the headlines that I can add. I can take it and paste it, right? And I can go back and it's gone. So that's for really good for sales page, feature area. And again, this is really great if you can have the features on your sales page. Then you can have the call to action. So that's something you can add. And then guarantees. So 100% money back guarantee. And this is something I definitely recommend to have. Definitely have the guarantee, 30-day money back guarantee. Then next to the collections, you're going to have settings. Here you can add and change the fonts. And it's going to change the fonts everywhere for everything. Font style, color, and content. Then you're going to have the checkout form. Here you can easily add, these are the main fields, first name, last name, email address. You can have phone number. You can have zip code. Recaptcha. See? All of that you can add. So let's say I would have shipping billing address. And if you were selling a product, a physical product, you can add it right here. Then I'm going to have the credit card that you can have credit cards, modern, how it's going to look like, or classic. So I will have like modern here. And then checkout button text, place order now. And bottom color. Definitely recommend on the bottom right, you're going to have option to have terms and conditions. So that's something to definitely to have and paste it to your URL. You can use whatever, like some site that you have and just paste the terms and conditions. And you can also show currency symbol with price, euro. That's something that I definitely recommend to have too. Now, when we have the checkout form and everything, and what you need to do is just like simply click publish. And on the top right, you can always go to design and preview it. See, I know that is like a little bit lame, but I just wanted to show you how you can use the designer. Now, when we go further, we're going to find the payments. Here, you can allow credit card payments, yes. And if you're going to edit processes integrations, you're going to find the Stripe and PayPal and everything there. You can also allow digital wallets. And that's something that I definitely recommend to do too, Apple Pay, Google Play. Then next to the payments, you're going to have upsells. Upsells is something that you need to have in Grow, and if you want, I can easily create tutorial on that too, but I need to upgrade my account because I don't use upsells right now. Integrations, here you can easily integrate with other tools, so you can upgrade it and use it with, let's say, ConvertKit. So let's say I'm going to have new role. If the course is going to be student is going to be added to my course, then I'm going to connect it with ConvertKit and I'm going to send the client to the ConvertKit. Then I'm going to have SEO here. So allow search engines to crawl my pages. You can have it and people will find you by the SEO. So that's something that I would definitely recommend to do. And page title, YouTube course, and description and the feature image. This is something that definitely I recommend to have. It's going to help you because people can find you also on Google. Then next to the SEO, you're going to have advanced settings. And here you're going to find a really important thing. You can empty your HTML, everything in header or footer. On the bottom, you're going to find advanced, where you can easily choose the custom domain that you're going to connect. So you can actually connect it with. And you can also redirect for the checkout page if you want to. And language settings here. And then collect sales and what taxes for the product. And when you have it, you would click Save Changes. And now when I go to product details, I see that the URL actually changed. So that's how you possibly and easily create your own product, and how you can create your own URL here connected with. Now, when you're gonna have it, you can always go live and you're good to go. But now let me show you how you can actually create a course. Now, if you don't need to create a course, guys, if you're just like have your product and you have physical or digital download, you don't have to watch this. But next to the reports, I'm going to apps and click course applications. So here I'm going to have the course library, where I'm going to go to the top right and create new course. So now you're going to have enter your course title, where I'm going to add, let's say, YouTube course. I'm going to have course URL. I will click edit here and you can update it. And synopsis is a brief description of your course that appears on the course dashboard page. So let's say this is going to be YouTube course making money on YouTube. And then you're going to have the course description here. Now, when you got it, next you're going to have the unit lessons that you can easily create a new unit. Now, of course, on the right side, you can have the course thumbnail, and you can feature the course, display the course at the top of your course library. And that's how we do it. And now we're going to have the units and lessons. We can easily click here and have create new unit. Unit is like an, how would I call it? Unit is let's say, how to create video. Okay, so we can have like video creation. And then I can have add new lesson to the unit, best video editing platforms for YouTube. Best video editing tips for YouTube. Now I can go here and have edit of the lesson, and you can easily add the title, the URL, and then you have the content builder. Here for the content builder, you have to actually add and type something. So you can't actually upload the videos like you have a Kajabi, Kartra, Teachable. You have to link it. So I need to have like in this course, you will learn how you can easily edit your videos for YouTube. And you're gonna have plenty of options like colors, paragraphs, lines. But the most important thing is that you can insert video here. You can even insert table if you want. So I can insert video, and let's say that I'm going to have a video from here. And I have this video. And I will copy it. And now I will go back right here and paste the video URL, and I can insert it. Under that, if I want, again, let's go, insert it, voila. And here I got it. You can, of course, like add a text under it. So I can, let's say that you have, you want to add a downloadable link. So you would click here, insert a link here. And I can add a URL. So that's what is really great. Or you can add a button. Now, when you have it, you can click on the right side, save. And then you're gonna have the lesson downloads. So what they can download from you. Then you're gonna have the quiz here. So you can add new question after the lesson. And then you can have the worksheet. And you can have a worksheet for the lesson. So all of that you can add right here. Now, on the right side, you can easily add an image for the thumbnail, for the lesson thumbnail. And let's say I'm going to upload some thumbnails here like this one. And I will press insert image. This one. And here I got it. So now you can always on the top right view the lesson. And this is how we do it. Now I go back to course. I can resume the course. And this is how the basic page looks like. So when we come here and we have the lesson thumbnail and the content builder, you can click save. And you see best video editing platform. So I have the thumbnail here, and then I have here. And then how it's done. Now when I go back to course, I can also edit the unit. And I can add a title and description. That's like the main thing. Then you can of course like create a new unit. But what you can do, you can access tiers. So tiers let you separate your audience into multiple levels. For example, you can add a free tier to your course that only grants access to the first few lessons in your site. Students are assigned a tier based on the offer of their purchase. So you can have like multiple things here of one course. If they're gonna be, I can like have a new tier, Pro or VIP. And let's say this video is going to be also, video creation unit is going to be also for the VIP. So that's how it works. Now I can click save here. I can have scheduling, in which I'm going to have the drip scheduling here, or instant access. So drip scheduling can be like, let's say video creation is going to be for Tuesday. If you want to actually schedule it, you could do it right here. Then you can have the public details where you would add a purchase button URL, purchase button text, and public course synopsis. But what you can do is to actually assign the product, and you can assign the product right here. And I can click here and click, let's say ebook course, save. And VIP tier can be to something different. So you can have it also for like another product for the VIP tier. Then I have it right here. So let's say I'm going to add this, save. And I have it checkout page URL. And then I have the cross-sell. And if you want to have a cross-sell, you need to have an upgraded account. I don't have it, but if you want, I can easily create a tutorial on that too. So now when we go further even, and we have the courses, I can go back to products, and I can go to ebook course, and I'm going to choose the order redirect to course auto enroll, and show custom URL button or receipts. And then I have it. So I'll click save changes. And this is how you can have it easily connected with. And I'm not going to create like this one here, the YouTube course. And you can have the purchase button here. If you want, you can have this. Or you can like assign it right here. So that's how we do it. And that's how pretty much you can use the Samcart. So you can always add here, let's say I'm going to add here 2, and I can save and I can view the course. And I have the YouTube course and I can easily resume it. Right? And here I would have the unit lessons that I need. And you can always view the lesson. And I can add, create new unit and create multiple units. And in those, I can add new lessons. So that's pretty much it, how we're going to do it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments on how we can use the Samcart. This is the basic Samcart tutorial. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.